Steve here, ShenRC, and we're here with the Ripsaw tanks. Here's the one, mean green, the kit version. These are both kit versions. This one has the tweaked motor I did the timing to in my last video. This one has a stock untouched motor. So we're going to take them out and drag race them and see how much faster my tweaked one got. Alright guys, here goes the Ripsaws. Tweaked motor on the green one with the timing, and a stock motor in the blue, black, green. Let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. There you have it guys, you've seen it. The tweaked modification to the motor timing made it blow away the stock one. Now I'm going to do a GPS test to see how fast it is compared to the stock motor on the 3S I ran in my other tanks. This one got 6.1, but that ain't bad on 2S. 6.1 miles an hour. I'm gonna give it another rip and see. Yep, that's it guys. 6.1 mile an hour max speed, and you only have to use 2S. With the motor tweaked with the timing in my other video. I don't know about 3S on this one. I'm not going to attempt it. It'll probably blow. See you next time guys. ShenRC. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell for future videos, and I'll see you next time.